Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Advocate Amit Kumar Gupta. In my series on the income tax cases, the case which I am going to discuss is District Project Officer versus Income Tax Officer TDS. This case has been reported in 98 ITR Tribunal at page number 356. Matter has been decided by Jaipur ITAT and the date of the judgment is 2nd November 2021. This case is regarding deduction of TDS at lower rates. The facts of the case is like this. The assessee has purchased some computer hardware, software, and an agreement was made with the vendor. Vendor supplied the material with the software and installed the computers at the premises of the assessee. The assessee made the payments and deducted the TDS under section 194C. Although at the face, if we see the matter involved in this case, it is a matter of purchase of material. And even there was no need to deduct the TDS, because if we are going to the market and we are going to purchase the computer or the laptop, we are not deducting the TDS. Because in laptop also there is a software, in desktop also there is software. So we are not deducting the TDS on the purchase of the computers. But for the safer side, the assessee deducted the TDS under section 194C for contract. But when there was a scrutiny by the department regarding the TDS matter, the officer said that because there is involvement of computer software and some technicalities are there, so the assessee should have deducted the TDS under section 194J, which says that the TDS at the rate of 10% is to be deducted in case of professional and technical services. The main area of dispute was that the assessee was saying that it is a contract which is covered under section 194C, but the department was saying that it is a contract of technical and professional services. The assessee has deducted the TDS at 1% and the department was alleging that the TDS has to be deducted at 10%. That's why you are assessee in default and the demand is to be paid under section 201 subsection 1. The matter went to the CIT appeal. CIT appeal also confirmed the order of the assessing officer. The matter went to the ITAT and the ITAT also confirmed the order of the CIT appeal. When the matter went to the High Court reverted the matter back to the ITAT. Now the matter was before the Honorable Jaipur ITAT. This time ITAT said that no professional or technical services have been provided by the vendor to the assessee. It was only a contract of purchase of computer and software which was installed at the premises of the assessee. Assessee has duly deducted the TDS under section 194C and there is no default of assessee for the lower deduction and payment of the TDS. So this time when the matter again came to the ITAT gave the decision in the favor of the assessee that you have not defaulted in the lower deduction of the TDS because it was a state case. But even then, as we know that whenever there is any scrutiny, when there is any survey, so they made some additions. It is a ritual. Even if you are 100% correct, even then they will, because on every matter there is a lot of disputes. There are different opinions. So the department takes the opinion which is in the favor of the department without going into the integrity into the matter whether it is legally correct or not. In this particular case, the ITAT also marked one thing, that the contractor to whom the payment has been made by the assessee has duly incorporated all the receipts into its profit and loss account and has duly paid all the taxes. So in that case also section 201 subsection 1 is not applicable and the demand cannot be raised on the assessee. So the assessee got the relief from the ITAT this time when the matter was remanded by the High Court to the ITAT, and it was agreed that there was no need to deduct the TDS at 10% in this particular case because it was a pure case of contract and not of the professional or technical services. Friends, at the end of this video, I want to say that these are my personal opinions. Do not take it as a legal advice. And before acting on this video, you just go through the whole judgment and then checking with other provisions of the Act, you act accordingly. The name of the case was District Project Officer versus Income Tax Officer, TDS. Thank you, friends.